All right, we made it. I'm doing this one right away because it just works out that way. But we are at Grandma's RV Camping, and it is in Shepherdsville, Kentucky. So we are back into Eastern time again. Not too bad of a park.
140 miles, 4 hours.
What was that, Pat?
140 miles, 4 hours it took
Oh,
us.
forgot to show you. This is exciting. Not that we need more fleas, but there is a flea market right there, open Saturday and Sunday. So guess where we'll be tomorrow? All right. So, if you know our rig, you might be able to find it right away. But it's a nice little park so far. We drove in though, unfortunately, and there was a little robin's nest, one egg inside the nest. So I put it up in the tree. I will show you that. So remember, this is the time. This one here is Find Al. And we are in number 14. We got to pick between 13 and 14. Well, we've already been in number 13. So anyways, I'll get the front part. But the nest was right down there. So I kind of I put both eggs back in there, and I put it in there. And I don't know if you can see them or not. So they were still kind of warm. I don't know. Oh, sorry about that. That got a little. Sorry, Dave. Probably got a little blurry. All right. So here's where we are till Tuesday. See y'all later.